after our own.
Oh, exactly. So right now we are at the lovely Headbutt stand. They're selling all the great merch, stubby holders, stickers, t-shirts, ashtrays, you name it, they've got it. We're with the owner, the mastermind, the legend. Can we get your name, good sir?
Robbie Martin.
Robbie, so how's your day going so far?
Very well, keeping busy. Everyone's coming over. I run it with my girlfriend Martin Knezevic. She's actually out there playing at the moment. Probably struggling, but she'll get there.
Mate, I think most of the guys are struggling, or guys and girls are struggling. I think it's pre-season. They're still into the mode of being fully hydrated instead of training properly.
Why do you think I perched right in front of the beer stand?
Good man, good and always great alcohol and great drinks around, great atmosphere.
Yeah, that's it.
Robbie, we'll catch you around. Thanks very much for your time.
Thank you, thank you.
Guys, anyone wants the good stuff, you know who to see.
Looking at the gold.
Walk out to the main sort of party area at the moment. Here's the main field. We've got the good food, the good atmosphere,
and the music
pumping.